think Jewish women are the gutsiest women in the world. Uh, when they take on a project, nothing stops them. Okay, and I think that they raise their daughters that way, and they know how to be. They know how to be diplomatic if they have to be, and they don't give up. The first gutsy woman was my mother's mother, who was this young woman who we still don't know who she really was, who evidently made a profound impression on the people around her for her commitment to, to anarchy, which I think she got. Be careful what you wish for, because I think we're getting close to it now politically. I have, from my father's family, his grandmother, to be in your 60s and to pick up and come from so far away to a brand new country where you don't speak the language and you don't have much money or whatever, and just to make that trip because your daughter's coming, your children are coming, I think that's gutsy. The women who fought for the development of the state of Israel. My aunt, who fought for human rights at a time when it wasn't very popular, and probably she passed away before McCarthy got really powerful, but would have lost her job from it. But she taught me to stand up for human rights. So she was one of them. I have a picture of a Yiddish reading group. Some pictures of the women from or they used to call it Pioneer Women, and it's Na'amat. And there was one woman in the group who weighed maybe 80 pounds tops in her life, little teeny lady, who decided she was going to raise money for Israel, and she didn't care. And she stopped traffic at 13th and F, which was a major thoroughfare in D.C., and sold raffles to the policemen directing traffic. She also would go into the office buildings, because that's where there were a lot of people, and she got picked up for soliciting, which is a double entendre also. And they had to bail her out of jail a few times. I mean, that's pretty gutsy. The women that were part of it, this development of services for our handicapped children. I mean, we bucked a terrible system when there was a lot of discrimination and from all ends to try to make a life for our children. I could go on and on with it,